Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the exposure effect and maneuver around it. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. Then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, and click on Lens. And we're going to be able to find the exposure effect. Click and drag it down to your timeline. And now we're going to elongate this effect to the entirety of the clip. And now with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the filter itself. We can mess with the strength of it, right? So if we go around 70%, you can see two of my little sisters. And then we're going to go to texture, and the texture, you don't see that much of a difference, but it's more of like a TV, right? Like a little static effect. So let's take a look at it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.